Thread cutting operation. Gear ratio GR is equal to lead of job by lead of lead screw. Speed is equal to speed of lead screw by speed of job is equal to 1 by speed ratio. Feed is equal to pitch of thread to be cut. Boring internal turning offsetting cases opposite to normal turning case. If upward offset, alpha effective decreases, gamma effective increases. Counterboring by end milling. Counterboring is like this. Cutter diameter increased sitting place of for sitting place of bolt. Countersinking by drill bit sitting place of head of screw. Three-panning large size hole by end milling cutter. Honing abrasive machining process engine cylinders. Nulling diamond shaped impression. Reaming holes to exact size better surface finish. Shaping tool reciprocates by quick return motion. Workpiece feed by Richard and Paul mechanism. Planning tool feed workpiece reciprocates suitable for long workpiece. Workpiece reciprocates. One stroke or double stroke cutting stroke forward stroke VC plus return stroke backward stroke VR. Time for one double stroke T1 is equal to TC plus TR is equal to L by VC plus L by VR. L is equal to L plus LA plus LC. Number of strokes N is equal to W by F. W is equal to W plus WC. F feed per stroke. Total time is equal to N into T1. High speed steel 841 HSS 18% tungsten BCC improves hot hardness. 4% chromium BCC improves corrosion resistance. 1% vanadium BCC improves hardenability and grain growth. Improves hardenability and resist grain growth. Cemented carbides, powder metallurgy products, cobalt binders, ceramics, alumina, Al2O3 based highly refractory materials. Hardness HSS less than tungsten carbide less than TSC less than WC less than TIC less than multi carbide less than ceramic. Hot hardness HSS less than diamond less than carbide. Cutting fluids, kerosene for aluminium, no cutting fluid for cast iron, graphite present in it acts as solid lubricant. As size of casting increases, solid shrinkage decreases. Shrinkage allowance, grey cast iron less than aluminium less than magnesium less than cast steel. Grey cast iron only second stage is expansion, first and third stage are contraction. So shrinkage allowance is positive on pattern. Gaseous defects in casting, this is blowhole on surface blister. If it is like this, then scar. These are pinhole porosity due to dissolved of hydrogen gas. Chills to promote unidirectional solidification. Padding, it will be like this. Taper of thinner section to thicker section to change progressive solidification to directional solidification. Chills to promote unidirectional solidification, paddings to directional solidification. Special castings, shell casting, sand plus thermosetting resin, formaldehyde for thin castings, expensive applications, cylinder head, connecting rods, engine blocks, piston rings. Slush casting, permanent die mold cavity, once required thickness solidifies, die is inverted and molten metal is poured out. T is equal to C1 root towers plus C2. T is thickness, towers is time. Application ornamental objects, lamp weights, halo statues, candlesticks, etc. from low melting point materials. Investment casting, wax pattern by pressure die casting or centrifugal. Ceramic mold investment, investment cleaning, dry alcohol coating, stuccoing and drying coarse ceramic particles, slurry of refractory material, good surface finish, high dimensional accuracy, application space and power generation, turbine blades industry, centrifugal casting, molten metal, whirlpool design, low density impurities, internal surface, no core required, fine grain structures at outer surface, free from impurities. 100% casting yield. Casting yield is equal to volume of casting by volume of metal poured. Squeeze casting open die, then a punch is punch to apply pressure. Plaster casting, slurry of plaster pattern. Pit molding, sand, concrete, cement. Continuous casting, stand casting, molten metal solidified directly into semi-finished billets, longs or slides slab. Die casting permanent mold generally made by grey cast iron introduced under gravity. Gravity die casting aluminum alloy pistons injected under pressure. Pressure die casting furnace part of die casting. Hot chamber die casting used for lead, tin, zinc melting point less than 400 degrees centigrade. Furnace outside cold chamber die casting used for copper, brass and aluminum melting point greater than 600 degrees centigrade. Applications pistons, cylinder rods, kitchenwares, gravity die casting, carburetors, automotive parts, toys, bathroom fixtures, pressure die casting, full mold cavity, evaporative casting. Uses polystyrene pattern surrounded by sand. Results in natural directional solidification. CO2 molding, mold sodium carbonate plus water, sodium silicate and sand blended together and then treated with CO2. Defects in casting, buckling defect due to poor expansion of sand, high pouring temperature, rat tail defect due to poor expansion of sand, tally surf electronic instrument to measure surface finish instantly, diamond point, petiometer, RA, RT, RZ. Interferometry, this is constructive 2 lambda by 2, 4 lambda by 2, 6 lambda by 2, bright, destructive dark lambda by 2, 3 lambda by 2, 5 lambda by 2, merging of two sources of light. Optical flat AB is equal to n lambda by 2, quads L stand delta theta is equal to AB by L, delta theta is equal to AB by L. Comparator, mechanical dial gauge, pneumatic and air back pressure. Optical flat or optical flat as comparator. This is delta H. AB by L is equal to AB by L is equal to delta H by G. Delta H is equal to G by L into n lambda by 2. M codes M00 programmer machine stop, M01 planet stop, M02 end of main program, M17 end of subprogram, M30 end of main program with use of subprogram, M03 spindle rotate clockwise, M04 spindle rotate anti-clockwise, M05 spindle stop, M06 tool change, M07 coolant pump on first, M08 coolant pump on second, M09 coolant pump off, M10 clamping, M11 declamping. Direct DNC, direct numerical control. Number of individual NC machines are connected to a host computer, bulk memory. DNC, distributive NC, host computer connected to individual CNC. Host computer connected to individual CNC. ANC, adaptive NC, liberty to individual CNC to adapt to parameters. ASRC, automatic storage retrieval system. It is a mechanical warehouse. AGV, automatic guided vehicle. Montes transport system. CMM, coordinate measuring machine. Inspection purpose. Transformation, rotation by theta, x prime, y prime is equal to cos theta minus sin theta cos theta xy. like this new coordinate x prime is equal to x cos theta minus y sin theta, y prime is x cos theta minus y sin theta, y prime is equal to x sin theta plus y cos theta. Reflection about origin, x prime is equal to minus x, y prime is equal to minus y. That means if it is here, then it will be here. Reflection about origin. Non-traditional machining, USM ultrasonic machining, ultrasonic machining. Tool vibrate with high frequency 15 kHz to 30 kHz. Tool is ductile, abrasive slurry, Al2O3, SiC, BUC, diamond plus water or some other liquid. Amplitude is equal to 10 to 100 micrometer. No contact between tool and workpiece. This is a hard or brittle workpiece, tungsten, cast iron, ceramic. Tool should be soft. Wear ratio or machining ratio is equal to volume of material removed on workpiece by tool wear. MRR, hardness or brittleness of workpiece, keeps on increasing. MRR amplitude keeps on increasing. MRR grain size increases to an extent and then decreases. MRR percentage abrasive, same, increases to an extent and then decreases. MRR viscosity, as viscosity increases, MRR decreases. MRR feed force increases and then slightly decreases. Electric discharge machining, EDM pump, then dielectric kerosene, positive workpiece anode, negative workpiece cathode, spark generated, uh, electrode. This is an electrode gap, VD, VS power supply, RC relaxation circuit like a flywheel. VD is equal to Vs into 1 minus e power minus T by RC. V discharge. Mechanism, melting and evaporation. Workpiece independent of mechanical properties of workpiece, but it should be electrically conductive. Tool material, to reduce wear of tool, it should have high melting point, high specific heat, good thermal and electrical conductivity, generally copper, wolfram or silver wolfram alloys used to produce small diameter holes in diesel injection nozzles, air brakes, etc. Energy released per spark is equal to half into CVD square. C for in units in farad, V in volts, total in joules. Charging time TC is equal to RC ln of Vs by Vs minus Vd. Average power input is equal to half C Vd square by Tc. Frequency of spark generation is equal to 1 by Tc. Wire cut EDM curve is equal to width of cut is equal to 2s plus dw. S uniform wire gap, dw wire diameter. MRR is equal to curve into T into Vf is equal to 2s plus dw into T into Vf. Electrochemical machining, ECM. Workpiece, iron rod, positive anode, uh, tool, negative cathode, conducting electrolyte, NaCl salt solution, negative cathode, FeOH twice precipitate, Fe2 plus 2 electrons, 2H2O plus 2 electrons, H2 plus 2OH minus, NaCl, Na plus Cl minus, Fe plus 2OH minus gives FeOH twice precipitate. Feed tool negative, workpiece positive, it will be in this shape we can get. ECM process controlled by Faraday's law of electrolysis. Principle, electroplating or electrocoating. Mechanism, ion dissolution. Conducting tool and workpiece, conducting electrolyte. Wear ratio is equal to infinity, no tool wear. Mass MRR is equal to AI by rho ZF. I current, A atomic weight, Z valency, F Faraday's factor 96,540 coulombs. Volumetric MRR is equal to AI by rho ZF. MRR directly proportional to conductivity of conducting electrolyte solution. MRR inversely proportional to distance between electrodes. MRR inversely proportional to distance between electrodes. That means if distance is less, MRR will be more. Application complex contour components, example turbine blades. MRR PAM greater than ECM greater than EDM greater than EDM greater than USM greater than EBM greater than LSM. USM is in middle, ECM is first, EDM, then USM, EBM, LSM. For LS, mass MRR is equal to I by F into Z1 by A1 into X by 100 plus Z2 by A2 into 100 minus X by 100. X percent 1 and X percent 2. Volumetric MRR is equal to I by F into rho 1 Z1 A by A1 into X by 100 plus rho 2 Z2 A2 into 100 minus X by 100. I by F into, in denominator it will come. If alloy density given, put rho 1 is equal to rho 2 is equal to rho 1 2. R is equal to Vs minus Vo by I. Vs supply voltage, Vo over voltage is equal to rho L gap by area. Rho is resistivity, L gap by area. Vf is equal to volumetric MRR by area. Vf mm per second. WZM water jet machining mechanism, brittle fracture, workpiece material, soft plastic and rubber, tool convergent nozzle act as tool made up of tungsten carbide. The medium water wear ratio is equal to infinity, cannot be used for metals. Workpiece, soft plastic and rubber. Abrasive water jet machining utilized in machining granite and marbles. Jet velocity V is equal to MAVA plus MWVW by MA plus MW. MRR NTD increases, then straight line, then decreases. MRR concentration of abrasive increases and then decreases at 10% maximum, 10%. Electron beam machining EBM power supply, electron gun or tungsten filament, high velocity randomly oriented electrons, magnetic deflector, beam of electrons, AC is equal to 0.01 mm square, workpiece beam mechanism, melting and evaporation, turbine blades, narrow slots, laser beam machining, light amplification by stimulated emission of radiation. Laser means light amplification by stimulated emission of radiation. Fully reflected mirror, ruby rod, flashlight, partially reflecting mirror, lens, laser, workpiece, population inversion. Electron. Mechanism, melting and evaporation, focus 1 by 100 mm square, size taper 1 degrees to 2 degrees, extremely small holes in hard material, fuel filters, carburetors, jet engine blade cooling holes. Plasma arc machining, PAM, temperature 11,000 degrees centigrade to 30,000 degrees centigrade, profile cutting of stainless steel, aluminum alloy, tantalum, etc. Fixture device used to support positioning, locating and clamping the workpiece. Jig, it is also one kind of fixture with additional functionality of tool guidance. Any workpiece in free space has 12 degrees of freedom, 6 linear and 6 rotational degrees of freedom. Locating elements to arrest permanent degrees of freedom of workpiece, maximum only 9 degrees of freedom allowed to arrest permanently. Clamping elements arrest temporary degrees of freedom of workpiece. Principles used in designing or designing of locating element: principle of minimum number of pins, principle of extreme location, principle of mutually perpendicular plane, Types of methods of location: 3-2-1 method, method of location, 3 pins in one plane, 1 linear degree of freedom, 4 rotational degree of freedom, 5 degrees of freedom, 2 pins in perpendicular plane, 1 linear degrees of freedom, 2 rotational degrees of freedom, 3 degrees of freedom, 1 pin in another perpendicular plane, 1 linear degrees of freedom, 1 degree of freedom, totally 9 degrees of freedom arrested. V block location, 3 linear degrees of freedom, 4 rotational degrees of freedom, total 7 degrees of freedom arrested. Bush location, come clamping, 12 degrees of freedom arrested, 7 degrees of freedom permanently arrested, 5 degrees of freedom total temporarily arrested. Radial or diamond location, arrest 11 degree of freedom. Clamping element, C clamp, rectangular clamp, V clamp or V block clamping. Extra points from Naveen Yadav. During any metal cutting, increase in cutting speed does not change cutting forces. Principal cutting edge angle or approach angle lambda is equal to 90 minus psi s. ASA and ORS interconversion, tan I is equal to sin lambda tan alpha b minus cos lambda tan alpha s. Tan alpha is equal to sin lambda tan alpha s plus cos lambda tan alpha b. Tan alpha b is equal to sin lambda tan I plus cos lambda tan alpha. Tan alpha s is equal to sin lambda tan alpha minus cos lambda tan I. Tool life, VT ceramics carbides HSS. For minimum cost, TO is equal to TC plus CT by CM into 1 by N minus 1. TC is equal to tool changing time in minutes. CT is equal to tool regrinding cost plus tool depreciation or replacement cost. CM is equal to machining cost, labor plus overhead. For maximum production, TO is equal to 1 by N minus 1 into TC. V maximum production greater than V max profit greater than V minimum cost. Surface tension for turning ideal surface, R is equal to 0. H is equal to F by tan psi s plus cot psi e. RA is equal to H max by 4. Practical surface, R not equal to 0. H is equal to F square by 8 R. RA is equal to F square by 18 root 3 R. Cutting fluids, primary aim is cooling, secondary aim is lubrication. Cast iron, dry compressed air, brass, no coolant required and no coolant is used. Aluminium, kerosene oil, planimeter used to measure surface area. Optical flat, use monochromatic light to determine flatness by interference. Delta H is equal to L lambda by 2. Clinometer, optical device for measuring elevation angle above horizontal. Autocollimator, measurement of small angles. Optical square, to set out right angles. Laser scanning micrometer, inspection of tiny workpiece at high temperature and motion. Macleod gauge, used to measure vacuum. Telescopic gauges, used to measure bore size. Pack rolling, aluminum foil. Rolling cos alpha is equal to 1 minus delta h by d. Delta h max is equal to mu square r. Projectile length LP is equal to r sin alpha is equal to root r delta h. Roll separating force is equal to sigma naught into LP into B. Arm length is equal to A is equal to 0.5 LP for hot rolling, 0.45 LP for cold rolling. Torque per roller, T is equal to F into A by 100, A by 1000 into A by 1000 Newton meter. Power is equal to 2 into T into omega watt. Upsetting test, hot twist test to determine forgeability. Hot forging, molten glass as lubricant, cold forging, phosphate as lubricant. Sequence in closed die forging, fullering or swagging, edging, bending, drawing, flattering, blocking, finishing, trimming. Limiting drawing ratio LDR deep drawing is equal to capital A by small d, which will be 1.6 to 2.3. Defects in drawing and causes are reason: wrinkle, insufficient blank holding pressure, fracture, large blank holder pressure, earring, anisotropic, misstrike, misplacement, orange peel, coarse grain structure, surface scratch, insufficient lubrication. Additives used in sand casting, sawdust or wood floor, collapsibility and permeability, molasses and dextrin, mold hardness, Fe2O3, Al2O3, hot hardness, coal dust, surface finish. Coal dust surface finish. Spiral test for fluidity. Choke area CA is equal to VC by TF into VGCA. VC volume of casting. VGCA is equal to root of 2G HTCA. TF is time for filling. Choke area is equal to M by rho TF into CD root 2G HT. Unpressurized gating system. Choke area is equal to A sprue. A pressurized gating system, choke area is equal to A gate. Air aspiration can be there in runner. Unpressurized pressure increases, so air aspiration can be there. No air aspiration in pressurized gating system. No turbulence and splashing. Turbulence and splashing. Aluminium, magnesium, non-ferrous metal can be cast in unpressurized gating system. Pressurized only ferrous metal can be casted. Casting yield is less. Casting yield is less. Here casting yield is more. A screw is to A runner is to A gate. Here one in the starting. Here one in the ending. Even though here is there, but if one is there at the end, then it is pressurized gating system. Riser optimum conditions: side riser H is equal to D, V by A is equal to D by 6. Top riser H is equal to D by 2, V by A is equal to D by 6. Shape factor is equal to L plus W by T. Geometry shape factor: cube 2, sphere 2, cylinder for H is equal to 2, D is 2. Position of riser: max length of casting with end wall effect L is equal to 13T, 2 risers, L is equal to 91 riser. Maximum length of casting without end wall effect L is equal to 80, 2 risers, L is equal to 41 riser. From 2.5 to 2.5 with end wall effect 2.5 to 2.5. Chills and paddings, directional solidification, match plate pattern, complex shapes in mass production, example piston rings. Sweep pattern, 3D complex profile of symmetric geometry, example large bells. For loams and 50% clay and 50% silica used. Shell molding, it will be like this. Then molding material, fine grain silica, phenolic resins, phenol formaldehyde, urea formaldehyde, alcohol. Application: cylinder blocks of IC engine, rocker arm, wall plates of refrigerator. Investment: casting, platen racks, disposable slurry, ethyl silicate, silica floor, water, vacuum to reduce gas setup, costly setup. Application: complex shapes, high melting point and strength, turbine blades, engine, jet engine parts, medical implants, gold ornaments, dentures. Full molding or cavity-less molding or evaporative pattern casting or lost form process. Pattern: polystyrene, PVC, epoxy, thermocol, foam plastics. Applications: fittings, lock components, small size objects, objects with low melting point. CO2 molding, Na2Si3 2 to 6% mixed with sand, Na2Si3 plus CO2 SiO3 plus Na2CO3. Silica gel improves strength, SiO3. Centrifugal casting, true centrifugal cylinder pipes, no core, 100% casting yield. Semi-centrifugal pullers, wheels, casting yield is less. Centrifuging produce unsymmetrical objects in mass pattern used in investment casting made of wax. Die casting, gravity force only, simple shape, piston of IC engine. Pressure die casting, 120 to 150 components per hour. Hot chamber, lead, tin, zinc only, low melting point. Cold chamber, furnace, separate, high melting point, aluminum, copper, brass. Aluminum not used because it has a sticking tendency. Not used, cold chamber not used for ferrous metal materials. Applications: carburetor, crankcase, valve bodies, toilet fixtures. Slush casting, thin casting, toys. T is equal to C1 root toys plus C2. T is thickness, towers time. Squeeze casting, brake shoe made of aluminium, bush made of brass and bronze, arc blow, magnetic field, weld spatter. TIG or GTAW, gas tungsten arc welding, DCEN, straight polarity, direct current, electrode negative, used for all except aluminium and magnesium. Direct current, electrode positive, reverse polarity, known as cathodic cleaning. AC source used for magnesium and aluminium. Magnesium and aluminium, non-consumable tungsten electrode, zirconium and thorium alloyed to increase melting point, used to weld aluminium magnesium alloys in aerospace, automobile and chemical industry. MIG or GMAW, proper transfer at low current, only gravity. Spray transfer at high current, gravity plus magnetic field, pinch effect. Wire in form of consumable electrode in inert atmosphere. Plasma arc welding, PAW, maximum temperature 11,000 degrees centigrade. Non-consumable tungsten electrode, ceramic nozzle. High depth penetration and heat affected zone is high. Used for welding titanium, nickel, cobalt and stainless steel in aerospace, jet engine, turbine blades. Submerged arc welding, DCRP with high current used. Solid granular flux, arc under the flux. Consumable electrode, thickness 15 to 50 mm. Used for welding high thickness objects in shipbuilding, fabrication of pressure vessels and domestic LPG. Atomic hydrogen welding for joining tool steel, die steel, repair works of cutting tools and dies. Two non-consumable tungsten electrodes, H2 plus H2 gives rise to H plus H minus delta H1. H plus H again will combine to form H2 plus delta H2. H2 heating agent, secondary function is to shielding. Electroslag welding, DCRP, direct current reverse polarity, initially heat by electric arc and later by resistance of slag, used for joining high thickness objects in shipbuilding, rolling mill stands. Explosive welding, larger plate, fixed one, flyer movable, used for high strength with low strength material, joining high strength with low strength material. Cladding of objects to increase corrosive resistance. Brazing, capillary, soldering, capillary, braze welding, gravity. Brazing, 427 degrees less than filler melting point, less than workpiece melting point. Soldering, filler melting point less than 427 degrees centigrade. Braze welding, when edge preparation is possible. Temperature similar to brazing only. Filler, copper plus zinc, brass in soldering. Filler with lead plus tin, solder. Filler, bronze, copper plus tin. Copper in this and tin in this. Flux, borax, flux ZnCl2 plus NH4Cl. Used for leak-proof liquid circuits. Used for PCB component fabrication. Used for cutting tool tip. Used for joining cutting tool tip to shank. Electron beam welding EBW focused by magnetic lens, no flux, focused by laser beam welding LBM is focused by optical lens, no flux, no filler. Micro weld, and this is micro welding high MRR, vacuum necessary, laser no vacuum necessary. Electron welding dissimilar metals superalloys aircraft engine parts form equipments weld dissimilar metal and which are difficult to weld. Example copper, nickel, stainless steel, titanium. More penetration compared to LBW in EBM. Laser beam multi-layered material with different K can be joined. Property as Tm increases, melting point increases, K increases, alpha increases, or percentage carbon increases, oxides increases. In all these cases, weldability decreases. If Tm increases, weldability decreases. If thermal conductivity increases, weldability decreases. Alpha increases, weldability decreases. Tool life CS increase and then decrease. Tool life alpha B increase and then decrease. Back rake angle 10 to 15 degrees, here 15 to 30 degrees. These are all random points. Taper turning capital D small d LT alpha tapered angle or included angle. Tan alpha by 2 is equal to capital D minus small d by 2 LT. Tail offset method, x offset sin alpha by 2 is equal to x by L. X is equal to L sin alpha by 2. X is offset to L length. Headstock, tailstock. Nmax is equal to N min into R power N minus 1. Nmax by N min is equal to R power N minus 1 is equal to speed range ratio is equal to Vmax Dmax by Vmin Dmin. Nmax Dmax. Turret lathe, capstan lathe. Turret lathe rigid machine, not restriction. Rigid machine, no restriction on current travel. On turret travel, feed is slow, no tailstock, 2 tool posts, 1 turret, only gravity tool. Capstan with less rigidity, turret mounted on auxiliary slides. Auxiliary slides limit travel distance. Feed is fast, no tailstock, 2 tool posts, 4 turning tools, 1 turret, only grinding tool. For metric thirds, thread angle is equal to 60 degrees. ACMA, bear load in both directions, lead screw. Buttress, bear load in one direction, bench wise. Thread cutting on lathe, thread chasing, RHT, move right to left, odd number of idlers used. LHT, move from left to right, even number of idlers used. Gear ratio is equal to train value is equal to transmission ratio is equal to lead of workpiece by lead of lead screw. Therefore, for thread cutting, lead of workpiece by lead of lead screw. 127 teeth gear, translating gear, and it is used to convert pitch. Pitch in inches to mm from lead screw to workpiece. Tool offset above above alpha effective is equal to alpha actual plus theta, gamma effective is equal to gamma actual minus theta. Theta is equal to sin inverse x by r. Tool offset below alpha effective is equal to alpha actual minus theta, gamma effective is equal to gamma actual plus theta. Theta is equal to sin inverse x by r. Shaping, feed, ratchet and pawl mechanism, reciprocation Whitworth quick return mechanism, clapper box used to lift tool during return stroke. Used to machine small flat workpiece. V forward return hydraulic, V mechanical, it will be like this. Small flat, large means we will use planning. Planar workpiece reciprocates tool is given feed motion heavier and more rigid than shaper, very large compared to shaper. Slaughter Invented before shaper, RAM reciprocates vertically, no QRM used, drill rake angle minimum at dead center and it increases to maximum at periphery equal to helix angle. Soft and ductile workpiece, point angle decreases, rake angle increases, helix angle increases. Fast helix drill, high twist, low strength, high lifting of chips. Fast helix drill. Soft and ductile workpiece means point angle is less, helix angle more. Hard and strong workpiece, point angle more, rake angle less, helix angle less. Slow helix drill, slow twist, strong, low twist, strong. Low lifting of chips. Boring increasing size of hole like this. Counter boring, spot facing to remove burrs. Countersinking is like this. This is for a nut. This is for sitting place for a screw. Tree panning, large diameter holes without drilling. Tapping, used for making internal threads. Lapping, sizing and finishing a hole already hardened. Reaming, sizing and finishing hole for accuracy. Reamers have even number of flutes to reduce cutting force. Grinding, high cutting speed, highest specific cutting energy joule per mm cube. Grain size is equal to 1 by GSN inches. 1 inch is equal to 25.4 mm. Grade on hardness, A to H soft wheel for hard workpiece, I to P medium wheel, Q to Z hard wheels for soft workpiece. Rubbing, glazing, blunting when a hard workpiece and hard wheel is used. Dressing, removing worn out abrasive from the wheel by single point cutting tool. Grinding wheel life, time period between two successive dressing operations 0 to 7. Dense structure for finish grinding and hard workpiece, 8 to 16. Open structure for rough grinding and soft workpiece. Centerless grinding, direction of workpiece opposite to all other wheels. Guiding or regulating wheel and grinding wheel. Solid cylinder, external centerless grinding, RW less than GW. Regulating wheel less than grinding wheel. Hollow cylinder, internal centerless grinding, regulating wheel greater than grinding wheel. EDM, high voltage low current process. Temperature 10,000 degrees centigrade. MRR is equal to 40 I by Tm power 1.23. Tm is melting point temperature of workpiece in degrees centigrade, centimeter cube per minute. For high MRR tool, K should be high, C should be high. Workpiece K should be less, C should be less. High voltage low current, workpiece conductivity should be low, capacity should be low because it should melt, it should not transfer that heat, or it should not just increase heat. Conductivity low, capacity low. K should be high, C should be high, so that the tool should not, temperature will not increase. Workpiece temperature should increase. Total time is equal to idle time plus discharge time. Idle time or cycle time is equal to RC ln of Vs by Vs minus Vc. R charging resistance. Average power input is equal to total energy consumed per cycle by cycle time. Total energy consumed is equal to half C Vc square. On time or discharge time is equal to Rm C ln Vc by Vd. Rm machine resistance. To get maximum power, Vc is equal to 0.716 Vs. Screw thread manufacturing, external thread cutting, thread chasing, high quality, thread rolling, thread grinding, open die threading, internal thread cutting, tapping, both internal and external thread milling, gear manufacturing, external gear process, gear planning, gear milling, gear broaching, gear hobbing. Gear hobbing highly accurate due to indexing mechanism. Both internal and external gear shaping. Gear internal gear shaping with pinion cutter. Heating, holding or soaking uniform grain formation, then slow cooling, coarse grain, high ductility and machinability, low strength and hardness, low residual stress, fast cooling, high strength and hardness, low ductility and machinability, high residual stress. Hardening, it will be 50 degrees above upper critical temperature and 50 degrees above lower critical temperature for hyperprotected steels. Hardening cooled rapidly by quenching in oil or water. Martensite body centered tetragonal, DHHCS greater than DHMCS greater than DHLCS. Depth of hardenability, high carbon steel or more hard, depth of hardenability. Full annealing, this is full annealing, process annealing, periodized diffusion, cooled in furnace, at slow cooling rate, normalizing completely above, cooled in still air, fine pellet, grain size hardening less than, normalizing less than, process annealing less than, full annealing. Strength or hardening greater than, normalizing greater than, process annealing greater than, full annealing. Ductility, hardening less than, normalizing less than, process annealing less than, full annealing. Tempering, increase toughness and relieve hardening strains of hardened component. Tempering, increase toughness and relieve hardening strains of hardened component. High temperature tempering, sorbite, low temperature tempering, true site, grain size, true site less than sorbite, strength, true site greater than sorbite, ductility, true site less than sorbite, toughness, sorbite greater than true site, toughness. Time temperature transformation diagram. This is temperature, this is cooling rate. Critical cooling time is equal to 1 by CCR. Here coarse pellet annealing, fine pellet normalizing, rapid, and then constant temperature bayonet os tempering, then tempering, martensite hardening. Brazing and braze welding both use non-ferrous filler metal at a temperature above 427 degrees centigrade but below melting point. In brazing, metal flows by capillary action. Braze welding, metal reaches by gravity. Surface finish, direct measurement, Tamilson surface meter, surface profilography, graph, stylus, moving coil type, Abbott's profilometer, pethometer, piezoelectric instrument, plastic replica technique, molding sand, percentage water content increases and then decreases, strength increases and then decreases, permeability it will be like the increases and then decreases, deformation keeps on increasing, flowability, percentage water content decreases, then percentage water, finally it should increase, flowability should keep on increase. Gate previous papers. By increasing cooling rate, chances of formation of white cast iron increases. Mild steel 0.15% carbon, wrought iron 0.1% carbon. Sintering improves hardness and toughness removed due to bond formation by removing liquid. Done in inert atmosphere to avoid oxidation. Compacted component is heated and compressed. Density increases and porosity decreases. Compliance compliance of UTM C is equal to L by AE. Spheroidal graphite cast iron is produced by tempering white cast iron. During solidification, grains near mold wall undergo fast cooling, so fine grains and randomly oriented. Solidification time inversely proportional to diffusivity. Diffusivity is equal to K by rho Cp. Hot tearing due to differential cooling rate, wide range of solidification time. Ts is equal to K V by a whole square, don't forget. Cold shut discontinuity resulting from hindered contraction. Grain strength in powder metallurgy, strength of part after compaction. Highest shrinkage allowance brass. Disposable pattern polystyrene. For maximum pressure in gating system, Ag by As should be maximum. Centrifugal casted product n squared is equal to constant. Fast cooling, fine grains with high density and low porosity. Investment casting parts with hardened skins and soft interior. In explosive welding, maximum velocity of impact fixed by velocity of sound in flyer plate. In solid state welding, contamination may removed by plastic deformation. In friction welding, melting of base metal is not involved. In resistance welding, heat is generated due to resistance between asperities between touching plates. For cutting steel, not welding, oxidizing flame of oxyacetylene is used. For cutting steel, process capability ratio is equal to ESL minus LSL by 6 sigma. CPU upper specification calculation is equal to ESL minus mu by 3 sigma. CPL is equal to lower specification calculation is equal to mu minus LSL by 3 sigma. Process capability index is equal to minimum of CPU comma CPL. Ultrasonic probe for NDT non-destructive testing and determination of thickness. CMM for measurement of dimensions and geometric features of products. Laser interferometry. Laser tracker used for large size components with geometric features and is portable. Parallelism error is equal to n1 minus n2 by 2 into lambda by 2, number of fringes. Built up edge formed when low speed, large uncut chip thickness. Formed while machining ductile material at low speed. Just formation of BUE increases tool life. Friction at tool chip interface can be reduced by increasing cutting speed. Large rake angle, better surface finish because area of shear plane decreases. With increasing depth of cut, both MRR and force will increase, hence specific cutting energy remains constant. In grinding wheel, most abrasive have zero rake angle and a high shear angle and a high cutting speed. CBN used for very hard steels because diamond causes diffusion. Cubic boron nitride, no carbon. Chip flowing in orthogonal plane, lambda is equal to 90 degrees. Down milling for better surface finish and longer tool life. Twist drills with small point angle and large helix angle are provided for drilling soft and low strength steel. For making internal gear teeth, best method is gear shaping with pinion cutter and next best is gear broaching. Through hole LC is equal to D by 2 if beta is not given. If beta is given, LC is equal to D by 2 tan beta. 2 beta is point angle. Stroke length L is equal to 2 into arm length into crank length by arm pivot AC. Arm length AP into crank radius CB by arm pivot AC. Seamless and collapsible tubes are manufactured by using impact extrusion process. Both forward and backward tensions reduce total roll force. Anisotropy in rolled component is caused by grain orientation. Maximum reduction per pass AO minus AF by AO is equal to 1 minus AF by AO is equal to 1 minus e power minus n plus 1. sigma is equal to k epsilon power n, sigma y is equal to k epsilon y power n by n plus 1, sigma is equal to sigma is equal to sigma y ln of AO by AF, ln of AO by AF is equal to n plus 1. Rolling force F average is equal to roll separating force is equal to 2 by root 3 sigma y into BL into 1 plus mu L by 4 H average is equal to sigma naught into BL. L is equal to root R delta H is equal to mu square R, T is equal to F average into A, P average is equal to 2 pi NT by 60 per roller, P total is equal to 2P. Forging sequence, fullering, edging, blocking, finishing, trimming. Forging force is equal to sigma y into AF into 1 plus 2 mu RF by 3 HF. The area of triangle is equal to root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. S is equal to A plus B plus C by 2. ECM, stock removal, passivating electrolyte, high thermal conductivity, finish machining, non-radiate, non-passive electrolyte. In EBM, maximum depth to by width is equal to 25:1. MRR, LBM less than EBM less than USM less than EDM less than ECM. EDM tool high thermal conductivity, high electrical conductivity, reduces tool wear, low specific heat of workpiece, more temperature rise, more MRR. ECM complex cavities, blind holes, through holes. MRR directly proportional to gram atomic weight, directly proportional to current density, directly proportional to thermal conductivity of electrolyte, inversely proportional to distance between tool and workpiece. Zigzag holes, LBM, laser beam machining. Each factor is equal to undercut by depth of cut, ECM. AJM MRR is equal to KQ DQ V power 3 by 2 rho by 12 HM whole power 3 by 4. Density of abrasive, hardness of workpiece, velocity of abrasive grain, mean diameter of abrasive, flow rate. MRR directly proportional to QD cube. MRR tip distance increases constant and then decreases. 3 to 1 principle. 3 refers to number of locators on primary datum face. USM MRR feed force increases and then decreases. With feed force increases and then decreases.